Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we're gonna solve and learn something about the linear function, linear equation, system of two equations, and linear inequalities. But let's start by refresh our memory about our SAT style. SAT math test format, you know, the SAT exam contains 4 sections. 1, 2 for English, 3, 4 for mathematics. So, section 3 contains 20 questions, 15 of them multiple choice, and 5 graded answers in 25 minutes. Section 4 contains 38 questions, 30 multiple choice, 8 graded answers in 55 minutes. Don't forget that section 3 without calculator, section 4 calculator allowed. Don't forget again that no penalty for guessing. Okay, and now some general breakdown of questions. Our math categories of questions contains 19 for Algebra 1, 17 data analysis and problem solving, 16 advanced math, 6 problems only for geometry, no logarithm, and little big trigonometry from Algebra 2. Let's see general strategies. Please first read and reread the problem carefully. Don't rush the reading. Please don't rush the reading. Identify what the problem is asking for. Don't answer X if the problem asks for 2X. For example, here we have like 6X plus 2 equals 20, and he asks about 2x. He didn't ask for determine x. If we want to do that, first of all, please subtract 2 from both sides. And then in the left hand side, 6x becomes equal to 20 minus 2, which is 18. Now we can divide by 3 directly to determine 2x equals 6 without any effort. Another example in this part, in the system of linear equation, if we have 2x plus 3y equals 14 and 7x plus 6y equals 22, and he asks about to determine just he wanna to find 3x plus 3y. Again, he don't wanna to determine x individually or y individually. He asked to determine the package 3x plus 3y. Here we have a simple criteria. If you wanna find directly this package, you can add or subtract. Yes, without determine x and y. Add without eliminate. Yes, if you're gonna add, it becomes 9x here and 9y. Thank you very much. Go 3 plus 6. And now 4 plus 2, 6. 1 plus 2, 3. Oh, mister, you didn't find anything yet. He wanted 3x and 3y. Yes, we approaches to like finish. Cause if you divide all by 3 here, the resultant becomes 9 over 3, 3x, 9y over 3, 3y, and 36 over 3 is 12. So the final answer is 12 without any effort. The third strategy here is tried in the test booklet. please write in the test booklet. Don't use your mind only. Write in the test booklet, draw and label diagrams if not to scale, whatever it's not to scale. If you want to draw a triangle, draw any triangle. If you want to draw a shape like a circle with blah 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 blah, write, draw, label. Pace yourself approximately 1 minute for section 3, 1.5 minutes for section 4. So here it means like approximately average 1 minute for section 3, because not all the problems need 1 minute. I think some problems easy need less than 1 minute, and some problems for more than 1 minute, so the average is 1 minute. Also in section 4, 1.5 minutes. Okay, don't leave any problem blank. You don't need to leave any problem. Know the rules for gradance. Know the rules for gradance. The rules for the gradance is not like the rules for the multiple choice. The multiple choice is easier. You have choices. You can plug in. You can guess. It's okay. But in the gradance, you have to do your steps well and write your final answer well. Look for an unknown relationship, plug in, gives the values, and solve for the missing values. Identify specific algebra skills. Please don't forget factoring, simplifying, equation solving, and something like that. Ratio, percentage, and something like that. Work backwards, plug in the answer choice. Okay, let's start our session. And now the first problem here is a table. This table contains 2 columns for x and y, so it's a function. This table graphed the order pair in the table above would form a line. So he said that this table form a line, so this is a linear function. Where would the line intersect the x-axis? Where would the line intersect the x-axis? I said try to graph randomly line where the line intersect the x-axis. So he wanted the point x and 0, because the y-intercept is called 0, y. If he asked about the y-intercept, so the y-intercept here is very easy, right or wrong? Yes, it's 0, 5, so it's a 5. It's a 5. But now he want an x-intercept. So if you want an x-intercept, you have several ways. Because here, no zeros like that here, like here, no zeros. If there is a 0 here, we have finished our work. You know that? Thank you very much. But now you can determine x in several ways. But we wanted the easiest one. For example, not the easiest. You know that the equation of the line is y equals mx plus b, right? And you know that b here is the number 5, right or wrong? Yes. So you can determine the x-intercept after finding the value of m. Choose any point here, 1 for x and 3 for y, whatever, for this point, as you wish. And now to determine m. And after that, please replace x by x as it is and y by 0. Replacing y by 0 to determine the value of x is the most appropriate way. But we have another way. Yes, if you have like 2 points from the graph or from the table, like 0, 5, like 2, 1, and 1 point called x and 0. And you can find the slope. You know that the slope is the change in x, change in y here, which is the rise, over the change of x, which is the run, if you can determine the slope directly and use the same slope to determine x after that. But now I have another way. Pay attention, please. I think you got it. I think you are brilliant enough to got the easiest way. You see, can you see the sequence here? The sequence here is to add 2, I think, or add 1. Yes, add 1. Here, add 2 or subtract 2. Yes, subtract 2. So for negative 1 is 7. And what is for 6? Yes, it's negative half. What is for 4? It's positive half. What is for 2? It's half. It's like 1 half. What is for 3? 3 gives us, subtract 2 please, negative 1. Right? So what is the value of x when y equals 0? 0, yes, here, 2.5. Thank you very much. You have finished your work without any effort. Thank you. Thanks for listening. Okay, number 2. Johanna picked 3 pounds of strawberries at a pick your own patch. At this particular patch, the cost is $1.50 for the pail and then $3.99 per pound of strawberries picked. If a linear equation is created to represent the situation and written in the form of y equals mx plus b, when piece of the equation would the value, piece of equation would the value 13.47 in this scenario most likely represent? B, m, x or y. Again, y equals mx plus b. Don't forget that b is the initial value or the individual value which is not related or not depend on x. And now I think b here is the price of the pail. The price of the pail is $1.50. So here is 1.50. And the price per 1 pound of strawberries is $3.99, roundly $4. Don't forget that. Yeah, $3.99, and you want a 3. So 3 here is a variable, because 3 maybe 2, maybe 4, maybe 8 pounds of strawberries. So 3 instead of x. And the rate and the constant rate is 3.99. And now we're going to find y. He wanted the number 13. You know that 1.50 is the b. 3.99 for the m. 3 here for the x. And sorry, where is y? If this section is no calculator and you try to multiply these two numbers, oh my god, and add 1.50, it's too hard. Not too hard, take long time. I think directly, accurately and directly, y is the number 13.47, mister. You know, if you're gonna guess like this number is $4 and instead of 3.99, 4 by 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. You know that? Understand? So don't use your hand and pencil and no pen please to determine y here. Y is directly is the number 13.47, so you're gonna choose letter D. And now here, number 3. Sometimes we have to do some efforts, you know. Okay, sometimes, not all the problems. Here is y equals 12 minus x. And 3y over 4 plus 11 is negative x over 2. What is the value of x over 5 individually plus y over 4 individually? I said before, if you want a package, you can do something like magic ways. But now there is a fraction. Fraction here means you have to be careful. You have to be solve it step by step. I think, first of all, we have to rewrite the second equation well by multiply by 4 here, by 4. So multiply here by 4, multiply here by 4, multiply here by 4. 4 over 4 was 1, 3y plus 4 times 11 is 44 equals 4 over 2 is 2, negative 2x. So we wrote it in another way, in an integer 4 instead of rational 4. We multiply by 4 because 4 is the common denominator between quarter and half. And now we have to, I think, replace y by 12 minus x. Yes. So you can write it as 3 into 12 minus x instead of y plus 44 equals negative 2x. And use the distributive property, 3 times 12, 3 times negative x, negative 3x, plus 44 equals negative 2x, right? And now you can replace the position of negative 3x in the second side, in the right hand side, and add 36 plus 44 becomes 80. Here 3x plus negative 2x equals x. So we have finished x equals 80. And now we found the x. Don't forget y equals 12 minus x. X equals 80. So y equals negative 68. 10 minus 2, 8. 7 minus 1, 6. And now, what is y over 5? And then what is x over 5? And what is y over 4? X over 5 means 80 over 5, 16, plus y over 4, y is negative 68 over 4, negative 17. 16 and negative 17 is negative 1. Is it hard for us? I think no. But don't forget to revise something about how to solve the system, how to write the equation in an integer 4, how to use the distributive property adding like terms to determine the value of x in the equation, how to use the substitution way to find y, how to divide long division 80 over 5, how to divide long division negative 68 over 4, how to add integers combining with each other. Here we have Russia. Russia volunteers at a charity that helps feed the homeless. He collects donations and then uses the money to buy food for care packages. This week he collects $145. Each care package will include canned vegetables and bags of rice in the ratio 3:1. The cans cost $0.89 each. The bags of rice cost $3.949 each. And now he wanna to use the ratio to determine the maximum number of complete vegetable rice care package contains vegetable and rice. Package contains vegetable and rice. To reach a maximum of $145, he has $145 and he wanted the maximum. So the ratio here may be 3 cans and 1 bag, 6 cans and 2 bags, and whatever. But if you wanted the maximum, just put in one package, for one package, I think 3 cans only, 3 cans, which is $0.89, plus just one bag for $3.49. Okay, that is the price of one what? One package. Package plus package plus package, several packages to reach roundly at least 145 or at most 145. Yes, at most 145. No more than 145. Maybe less than a little bit 145. It's okay. To reach the maximum number of complete vegetable rice care packages. Okay, mister. I think your calculator allowed. Hurry up, please. And now we have to determine the product of 3 by 0.89, then add it to 1 times 3.49, right? Yes. And then divide 145 by the answer. 145 divided by the amount or the fees or the cost of one package. The price of one package first. The price of one package first. Here. 3 times 0.89 plus 1 times 3.49, I think. Yes, it becomes 6.16. That is the price of one package, you know. And he has $145 divided by the answer. So the maximum number of packages roundly 23 packets. 23.5 is wrong. That's right. So it's like 23, just 23. Just what? 23 packages. Thank you very much. And now here we have another problem. This is the line X. The line X here is a line that just parallel to x-axis, right? Line. You call it X, right? No. Mister, please pay attention. Here is the x-axis and here is the line L. How to know? He said. Who said? Yeah, line L. Oh my gosh. So this is the line L, which is parallel to x-axis. It's under or above, it's below x-axis. Okay, mister, okay. Line parallel to x-axis and below. You know that we have 4 kinds of lines. The line y equals mx plus b, the line y equals constant, the line x equals constant. What is the differ between them? For the line y equals mx plus b, maybe a line has a positive slope or a line has negative slope. Here is positive slope. M is positive. Here M is negative. It's okay. Whatever the value of M. But the line y equals constant, y without x, it is the line parallel to x-axis. The line x equals constant, it is the line that parallel to y-axis. Here is the line x equals c, but here is the line y equals c. Y equals c means no x. X equals c, no y. For extra information, don't forget that the slope of this line is excellent. The slope of this line is excellent. Again, the slope of this line must be equal 0. And the slope of this line must be equals undefined. Undefined. Understand? So, whatever, to refresh our memory. So, all lines contains x and y are not appropriate now, because our line parallel to x-axis and below. Below means if the constant positive, the line is above x-axis. If the constant negative, the line will be down or below x-axis. That's right, I think. Here, the first line here, you can guess from the answer, right? Contains x and y. It's wrong. Contains x and y. It's wrong. Contains x and y. Oh my God. But no y here. You know, no x here. X vanish. So y minus 2 is 0. Y minus 2 equals 0 leads us to say y equals positive 2. The line y positive 2 is above x-axis, right? Here, the same criteria, x vanish. So y plus 2 is 0. Y plus 2 equals 0. Y equals negative 2, which is below x-axis. So we have to choose letter D. Hurry up, please. We have just 3 problems. In number 6, which of the following number lines represent the solution of the inequality? This inequality we can rewrite as, hurry up, yes, 3x, and then excellent, plus x greater than 5 as it is, minus 29. That's right. We have to reverse the variable and the numeral in the both sides. 29 plus in the left hand side becomes minus 29 in the right hand side, and 5 as it is. Negative x in the right hand side becomes positive x in the left hand side. We can combine the like terms, as you know. 3x and x, 4x greater than 5 minus 29 means 29 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4, so it's a 24, but it's a negative. Divide by negative. Dividing by negative, right or wrong? No, mister. We can divide by positive 4. Then it's a negative. No! Don't forget. We have to divide by the coefficient of x. And never change the sign, because we have to divide by 4. If we divide it by negative 4 or negative coefficient, we have to, yes, change the greater than into smaller than. But now we can divide by 4 only. Divide by 4 becomes here x. Divide here by 4. Negative 24 by 4 is negative 6. So we have to choose a number line contains a bold or a white circle, I think, closed circle or open circle. Excellent, open circle, not closed, because closed means greater than or equals. Okay, go to the right or go to the left. Go to the right because it's greater. Right to what? Right to negative 6. Excellent. Here, open and right. Excellent. Open and right. Mister, take care. Take care, yeah, mister. It's wrong. It's not negative 6. Pay attention. Ya salam. Excellent. Negative 6 and open. حلوة قوي. Excellent. Yeah, thank you very much. Negative 6 to the left is wrong. 6 also wrong. Thank you very much. It's letter B. Excellent. Now at the grocery store, Gigi buys apple. Yes, Gigi buys apple, a magazine, a gallon of milk. The apples are priced per pound. In her states, there is no sales tax on food only. On food. Food. Apples. Milk. Magazine. Thank you very much. If the total cost of her items given by the function, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah, blah 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 blah, then the term 1.07 into 3.99, is it the cost of 1 gallon of milk? You know, I think here, don't worry, it's like very easy, because 1.07 means the tax is excellent. 7% tax. The tax just for the what? Magazine. So no number here. 1.89 maybe for the apples, maybe, right? Gallon of milk, individual price, right or wrong? Because apples in pounds. So 1.89 is the price of 1 pound of apples multiplied by any letter related to the word apple. B. 4.49 without any label, because it's 1 gallon, just 1 gallon of milk for 4.9. But a magazine cost 3.99, okay? But I think the magazine tax price is 7%. So without any effort, is it the cost of the magazine including tax, or the cost of magazine not including tax? This package as it is, including tax. Tax. Thank you very much. Hurry up. The last one. When a homeowner hires a contractor to renovate a bathroom, the homeowner is charged for both labor and materials by law. The contractor can charge sales tax on the materials but not on the labor. If the contractor quotes the homeowner $3,000 for materials and $40 per hour for labor, and sales tax in the homeowner is 5.5%, don't forget, but not for the labor, which equation represents this situation? طبعا each number of hours, it's okay. The cost is, oh my god, 5.5%. 5.5% tax leads us to multiply by 1.055. Okay, number one is very good. $3,000 the contractor quotes for owner, the homeowner, $3,000 for the material, $40 per hour for labor. يبقى $40 multiplied by the number of hours, and 3,000 multiplied by that. Very good, excellent. Oh, Mr. Y, very good. It's very, very easy and right or wrong? No, mister. I think $3,000 only contains tax, but the labor hours without tax, right? So 40H never multiplied by the 1.005. Here, very easy. Wrong 100%. Here, he vice versa. He multiplied the tax with the labors. Yeah, thank you very much. I think here 3,000 for the material, including tax, plus $40 per hour, number of hours is H. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for listening. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.